Hold up. I can totally make this work. Okay, wow. I love getting 4 billion years behind of my ghost. But yeah, I think that modern racing games need to have like a system of uploading ghosts online. That would be... I know, right? Demo files is literally where the name Speed Demo Archive comes from.
Yeah, exactly. Like, when I played Contract, at the beginning of the map, I always record a demo in case anything fucking epic happens. And because demos aren't such a big file, they don't take up fucking space.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so cool. Also, oh my god, 54. Yeah, demos are great.
Plus, you can like turn off the HUD in them so you can make like red movies.
Exactly. The only game that I've seen that does bad replays is Super Meat Boy, where it consistently gets desynced and like